Information Technomaly. During the early days of the space race, the US and the Soviets were desperate to get the critical edge that would see them first land a spacecraft on the moon. Prestige, acclamation, and national honor depended upon it. The key, as so often is, was in the gathering of quality information. The technology had to be refined, and the effects of weightlessness and other non-terrestrial factors taken into account on the astronauts. Naturally, the astronauts were in the front line of the research. They were there. They were living it. So it was essential they kept accurate, experiential, and up-to-the-minute records. This was the ultimate action research project. However, there was a big problem. When there is no gravity, the ink in pens does not flow. Whichever block could solve this challenge, it seemed, would win the space race. Never before in the history of the world had penmanship been so critical and so essential. The US government put millions of dollars into funding a project with a well-known pen company. The company developed a pen with a heart and a mini-pop action that allowed a generation of school children to write rude messages on classroom ceilings, and the US astronauts to make and take critical notes in space. The Soviets, meanwhile, solved the problem by giving their astronauts pencils.